What's going on, guys? It's Wild Whiskey Wolf, and today I wanted to go over all the light functions on the 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R and all the light functions and how to turn them on. So first thing we're going to do is turn on the bike. So on the left handlebar here we have our left and right turn signal. So when you activate, for example, we're just going to activate the left turn signal. It's going to flash on your mirror and obviously on the rear of the bike. So left and right turn signal right here. And to turn off the turn signal or to deactivate it once it's on, you're just going to press this button in. So press it straight forward in. All right, next we do have hazard lights on the 21 ZX10R. And to activate the hazard lights on this bike, there's a hazard light button right here. You can see it has the red triangle on it. Just gonna press that in, and what'll happen is the lights on the front mirrors where the turn signals usually activate will begin flashing, and also on the rear of your bike both turn signals will flash as well. So that's what the hazard lights on the 2021 ZX10R look like. And obviously I have the TST Industries integrated tail light, so it's gonna look a little bit different than your stock setup, but on the stock setup the turn signals will flash as well. And then to deactivate or turn off the hazard lights, you're just gonna press in that button again and release, and it turns off. Also on the 2021 ZX10R, we have the high beams, which are right here. We have the high beam function, and we also have a flasher function. So to switch from your regular running lights, which turn on when you turn the bike on, to your high beams, you're just going to press this lever forward. So you're going to flick it forward like that, and then your high beams will automatically turn on. To turn off the high beams, you're just going to pull the lever back like that, and they turn off. To activate your flasher, all you have to do is pull in this lever, and if you pull it in, the high beams will stay on for as long as you have that lever pulled in, and then when you release, they'll turn off. So that's a useful function if you need to, flash another vehicle on the road, to let them know you're coming or something like that, or if you're passing someone, all you got to do is tap that lever right there and it'll flash the high beams. All right, next I'm going to turn the bike on so you guys can see the difference between the flasher, the high beams, and the running lights. So that's how to activate and turn off all the light functions on the 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R. If you guys have any questions or comments about any of the processes for turning on or off any of the lights, just drop it down in the comment section below. See you guys around.